don't want this. I'm going to be attempting to do a makeover. I'm gonna do it in a bit. So, mga hanggang dito siguro.
Hello! It's me editing the video. I know it's been a while. Matagal ko na tong film. I just don't have the time to edit. I was having a mental breakdown. So, I decided to cut my hair short. And watch me regret it in a matter of days. Then, I decided to dye my hair dark blue using cello wax na blue and black. Pinaghalo ko sila para mas maging dark. So, yun. Ito yung kinalabasan.
Hello Philippines and hello world! Magandang buhay mga kumare. So, I decided to have a 24-hour an extreme glow-up transformation. I'm planning to go darker and have my first ever hair extensions. Like pamper day. And I'm going to meet my best friend so we can catch up. Samahan niya ako today. This look, I don't like it anymore. Tapos medyo nagsisi ako nung nagdupit ako ng buhok. I like my hair way longer. Mas mukha akong presentable. Hindi naman, mas bet ko lang talagang long hair. So, yan. Complete transformation. So, we don't look so, you know, so, yeah. I don't like this look. Mukha na siyang lumot. Actually, tinanggal ko siya with the baking soda trick. Actually, natanggal naman siya, diba? Sobrang darker ng blue. Yan, naging lumot na lang siya. Pero, itim na lang. Here's the final look of my lumot hair, my bleach hair. It's been so good. I'm gonna see you again for the next 5 to 10 years. I don't know kung anong tumama sa utak ko ng mga taon na yun. So, thank you so much for 2 wonderful years. Na-enjoy ko siya. So, yun. I look... hindi ko kasi charot. So, yeah. I'm gonna transform later. So, see ya. Alis na ako. Nakalimutan na namin mag-vlog. Ubus na. Nakalimutan ko na bang mag-vlog. So, sobrang enjoy namin mag-kwentuhan. Pero kumain kami dito sa Mad Mart. Kasi ito kami yan sa UP Town. Done na ako with my hair. This is how So, ayun. Ikot-ikot lang. Relax. So, yeah. Wala na mga tao. Kami na magsasara ng Course life. Coco is life food. Of course, hindi makukumpleto ang araw. Hindi po magpasas. So, what song feels like? I'm home, finally home. And papakita ko lang din yung haul ko, mini haul from Watson. So, I bought course, the L'Oreal sulfate-free na shampoo. Then I also bought some hair oil. So, ito yung Naturals by Watsons and ito yung argan oil. Though, marami din ako dyan. So, hindi na ako masyadong bumili. So, I also bought some micellar cleansing water from the brand Simple. And I also bought some hair ties. Since long hair na ako and makakapag-tie na ako yung hair. So, yun. Maliligo na ako. Ang landilan din. Also, bumili kami ng milk tea. Macau. So, yun. Maliligo muna ako. Wala ko ng Oxycure kasi naubos na yung ganito ko. Maganda siya. I swear. Super black, but it's fine. I like it. I like it black. Next naman na gagawin ko is I'm gonna do my nails. They look so ugly right now kasi nga nag-color ako ng black, so nahawa siya hanggang sa loob, so I have to cut it. But I bought some nail tools and I have a lot in here, the UV gel, and I also have gel polishes, all that stuff. As in, kompleto ako ever since. Kasi nga, I really love doing my nails. Hilig ako mag-nail art. They last for a really long time than a regular polish. Meron lang akong biniling mga bagong items, yung nail art tools. And I also bought this. Like, yung tip lang talaga siya. For polygel kasi siya. Yung parang coffin type. Then I also bought this. Pa-square naman siya. Yung tip. Ayun. Iiklian lang natin. Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything. Yan, so I bought this, tong Cara Gloss Brazilian Keratin Blowout with argan oil. So, ayan, nabili ko to for 450 plus pesos. Basta malaki na siya, madaming use na yan. Okay, so I'm gonna use it and then I'm just gonna wash my hair twice with a good keratin shampoo. Para daw complementary yung ingredient benefits niya to have straight hair. Kung curly hair daw, at least one more wash. Kung straight hair, twice. Kung curly, thrice. The second step is to towel dry gently, pero mag-leave ka pa rin ng onting moisture sa hair mo para ma-absorb yung product. Kukot mo siya, tapos gagamitan mo ng brush. Mas malak niya yung gamot sa hair mo. Then, you're gonna leave it on for 30 minutes. After nun, i-blow dry nyo siya. Sinusuklay nyo pa rin. And after nun, tsaka nyo siya pa-planchahin. At least 100 degrees. Moderate heat. After nyo siyang planchahin or i-iron, then you're gonna leave it on for 48 hours bago nyo siya banlawan. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Gagi, tuyo na ba? Gago, nasusunog. So scared. Tama no, kasi Mamaya sunog na to, ha? Shoot, mahirap. Hirap magpaganda. Ako kaya nga pala sinusuklay. Sorry naman. Grabe! Bagsak na bagsak. I love it.
Don't go, just leave. No stay with me. I'm in complete. I got mixed emotions, can't make my mind.
Hello, it's been siguro a month na since I forced myself to glow up. Ayan! Ganun pa rin yung hair extensions ko. Healthy pa rin. Hindi ko siya pinapabayaan kasi mahal eh. Sayang lang kung 1 month ko lang siyang gagamitin. Kailangan mo lang talaga siyang alagaan. Lagyan ng mga oils, etc. Treatments. Ang tagal kong hindi nag-black tapos long hair. I kind of feel like a different person right now. And halos pa wala na rin yung eyelash extensions ko since nagbalisin nga kami, nag-swimming, you know, natanggal na yan, nalaglag na lahat. Hindi na lang siya. But yeah, life goes on. Yun, happy naman ako sa long hair ko and sa transformation ko. I badly needed it. Ang hirap magpaganda. Mahal magpaganda. Nakapagpa-wisdom tooth na ako, nakakain na ako mabuti. Sorry ko, ang tagal kong nilabas to kasi I am trying to be okay, but yeah, life goes on. Ngayon, nagtatry akong bumalik. I hope you guys still support me kahit hindi ako consistent sa pag-upload ng video. Sorry kung ang tagal-tagal ko kayo pinag-aantay. Na-update you guys na lang. Very, very soon, life update. But now, just enjoy mga content na i-upload ko. Okay? So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. I will try my best to upload more videos, more contents for you guys. So let me know what you want to see on this channel. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next one. Oh, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. It's always linked down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys again on my next one. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah. So I was reading this book called Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins, and he said, I look different enough on the outside to perpetuate an illusion that I change. But in order to change, you have to work through shit. And I also saw this quote from Pinterest, which says, the real glow up was never external. Which is true. I was forcing myself to glow up because I want to feel good. I want to feel good about myself. And that's okay. Do anything that makes you happy. Healing comes in waves. Maybe today okay ka, the next day hindi. And that's okay. You're still growing. Don't rush it. One day gigising ka na lang, magaan na lahat. All the pain, anger, yung mga grudges na dala-dala mo, it will all be in the past and it will all make sense. I'm not there yet, but I'll get there. To anyone who's fighting silent battles that no one knows about, keep going because you got this. I'm cheering for you, Mare. Fighting.
Oh, we're living in the present, but our mind is in the past.